In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show rulers in Canva. If you've ever tried lining up text, graphics, or design elements by eye, you already know how easy it is for things to end up looking slightly off. Even small spacing issues can make a design feel unbalanced. The good news is that Canva includes a built-in ruler and guide system that makes it much easier to place everything accurately and keep your layout clean and professional. To get started, open Canva and load the design you want to work on. From your homepage, find your recent projects and open the presentation, document, banner, or whatever file you're currently editing. Once the project is open, click anywhere on the canvas so your workspace is active and ready. Next, move your attention to the top left area of the Canva editor. Along the top menu bar, click File. This opens a drop-down menu with several project and display options. From there, look for View Settings. Depending on your version of Canva, you may need to hover over it or click it once to open the additional options inside. When the View Settings menu appears, find the option called Show Rulers and Guides. Click it once to turn it on. You can also use the shortcut Shift and R if you prefer working faster with keyboard commands. As soon as this is enabled, you'll see rulers appear along the top edge and the left side of your canvas. These rulers give you a visual measurement reference, which is especially useful when you want consistent margins, even spacing, or more precise positioning. Once the rulers are visible, you can also create guides. To do that, click and hold on the top ruler if you want a horizontal guide, or the left ruler if you want a vertical guide. Then drag your mouse inward onto the canvas. Canva will place a guideline that you can position exactly where you need it. These guides do not show up in your exported file, so they're safe to use as alignment helpers while you design. With rulers and guides in place, take a moment to move your text boxes, images, or shapes around and check that everything is aligned the way you want. This is a great time to clean up spacing and make sure your layout feels balanced before exporting. When you're done, go to the top right corner, click Share, then Download. Choose your preferred file type, such as PNG, and click Download. Your final file will export without the rulers or guides appearing in the finished design. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.